This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to generate a time tracking report on Gusto. Whether you're a business owner, manager, or part of the HR team, being able to efficiently track and report employee hours is crucial for payroll and productivity insights. Today, we'll walk through how to generate this report with ease using Gusto's intuitive platform. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the left-hand menu on your Gusto dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but for our purpose, we're going to click on Time and Attendance. Once you click there, a drop-down will appear, and you'll need to select Time Tracking. This section is your gateway to all things related to employee hours, giving you a comprehensive overview of what's happening in your organization. Now that you're in the time tracking section, you'll need to locate the pay period you wish to review. Gusto makes it easy by listing out all pay periods, allowing you to simply scroll through and find the exact one you're interested in. This feature is particularly helpful if you're aiming to compare different periods or look back at historical data for analysis. Once you've selected your desired pay period, you'll see a summary table at the top of the page. This table is a great tool for getting a high-level view of the scheduled hours versus the actual hours worked by your employees. It's a quick way to identify any discrepancies or patterns, whether you're noticing consistent overtime or underscheduled shifts. This high-level insight is invaluable for making informed decisions about staffing and scheduling. If you want to dive deeper into the details, click on View Breakdown. This feature provides a line-by-line summary of employee hours, showing you exactly who worked when and for how long. This detailed view is perfect for conducting a thorough analysis or preparing for a payroll review. You can see individual employee hours, making it easy to spot trends or irregularities that might need addressing. Once you've reviewed the information and you're ready to save it for your records or share it with others, look for the Download or Export option. This is typically located in the upper corner of the page. By clicking here, you can save the timesheets as a CSV file for Excel. Exporting to CSV format is particularly useful because it allows you to manipulate the data further, create graphs, or integrate it into other business reports. Plus, having the data in Excel format ensures that you can easily share it with colleagues or management who might not have access to Gusto. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a time tracking report on Gusto. This straightforward process not only helps in keeping track of employee hours, but also plays a critical role in ensuring payroll accuracy and improving overall workforce management. Remember, regular review and analysis of time tracking reports can lead to better scheduling decisions and potentially increase productivity. Thank you for watching and happy reporting.